What if I told you that Iceland's most beautiful places aren't on any top 10 list? Today, I'm taking you to the 1% of Iceland that tourists almost never reach. Hidden places so unreal, they look like CGI. Welcome back to Tourismatic. Today, we're traveling to a place that looks like it was created by another planet, Iceland, the land of fire, ice, and everything in between. But this is not your normal travel guide. In 2026, Iceland tourism is exploding, yet 90% of tourists visit the same 8 locations. Today, I'm revealing the unknown 10%, hidden gems you won't believe exist, locations even many Icelanders haven't visited. Stay with me till the end because the last spot will absolutely blow your mind. Let's begin.
Chapter 1. Kerlingarfjöll, Iceland's alien mountain range. Deep inside the Icelandic Highlands lies a place that looks like Mars collided with Hawaii. Kerlingarfjöll. Most tourists never come here because it's accessible only a few months a year. Imagine this: boiling geothermal steam rising between bright orange slopes, blue rivers cutting through smoking valleys, and you hiking alone with nothing but the sound of bubbling earth. This is Iceland untouched, raw, powerful, ancient. If you want peace, photography, or landscapes that feel unreal, Kerlingarfjöll must be on your 2026 list.
Chapter 2. The Blue Ice Caves of Vatnajökull. Every year, Iceland's largest glacier forms new ice caves, each with a different shape, color, and structure. But the hidden gem for 2026 is the newly discovered Crystal Cathedral Cave, a massive chamber of blue ice with natural pillars and frozen waves. It looks like a palace built by winter itself. This cave didn't exist 5 years ago, and it might disappear in just 2. It's a place you can truly experience only now.
Chapter 3. Rauðisandur, Iceland's red beach. Iceland is famous for black sand beaches. But did you know there's a red sand beach in the West Fjords? It's called Rauðisandur, and it stretches for 10 kilometers, untouched, empty, and surreal. The beach glows red, orange, and gold depending on the sunlight. And the best part? You'll probably be the only person there. This spot is perfect for quiet long walks, drone shots, or complete escape from tourist crowds.
Chapter 4. Highlands Secret, the hidden canyon of Sigöldugljúfur. This canyon is called Sigöldugljúfur, but many travelers call it the Valley of Tears because dozens of tiny waterfalls pour into a blue lagoon. The contrast of turquoise water, black lava fields, and green moss makes this one of Iceland's most colorful spots. Yet most tourists don't even know it exists because it's off the main ring road. This is a photographer's paradise.
Chapter 5. Stuðlagil Canyon, the real-life Hexagon Canyon. Stuðlagil is one of Iceland's youngest tourist discoveries. Before 2016, this place was hidden underwater. But after a dam diverted the river, a spectacular canyon emerged. Basalt columns standing like giant hexagon walls with milky blue water flowing through them. Come early, stay late, and prepare to be stunned.
Chapter 6. The volcano that's still waking up, Fagradalsfjall. 2021, 2022, 2023, Fagradalsfjall erupted again and again, creating brand new landscapes. In 2026, the area is safe and open for tourism, and you can hike around still warm lava fields.
This is one of the world's rare, friendly volcanoes, a place where you can witness the power of the Earth up close. It's dangerous, beautiful, peaceful, all at once.
Chapter 7. Helgafell, the Mountain of Wishes. This is not Iceland's biggest or prettiest mountain, but it may be its most mysterious. Local legends say, if you hike to the top without speaking a word, you can make 3 wishes, and they might come true. Visitors describe a strange calm on this mountain, a spiritual feeling impossible to explain. A must-visit for those who want a mix of nature and mythology.
Chapter 8. The Arctic Whale Capital, Húsavík. Húsavík is the whale-watching capital of Iceland, but here's the hidden gem. The 2026 Arctic Marine Center just opened, offering underwater observatories. Imagine watching giant humpback whales glide under your feet. Crystal clear, peaceful, almost spiritual. And yes, this is the town from the Netflix movie Eurovision. Music lovers will enjoy the quirky gift shops too.
Chapter 9. Lake Mývatn Lava Fields. Mývatn is a region where you can experience mini volcanoes, boiling mud pools, lava towers, and geothermal hot springs, all in one small area. But the hidden gem is Hufti Peninsula, a peaceful forest with volcanic rock pillars rising from the lake, perfect for photography, picnics, and exploring. This is Iceland's quieter, calmer alternative to the Golden Circle.
Chapter 10. The Rainbow Road to Seyðisfjörður. In Iceland's far east lies the postcard-perfect town of Seyðisfjörður. Colorful houses, dramatic fjords, peaceful lakes, and the famous rainbow-painted street leading to a blue church. This is one of Iceland's most beautiful and least crowded villages. Stay a night here, meet the locals, and enjoy the slow, quiet Icelandic life.
Iceland is not just waterfalls and the Blue Lagoon. It is a land full of secrets, hidden gems waiting to be explored. If you want more breathtaking travel guides, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below which hidden gem you want to visit first. This is Tourismatic. See you in the next adventure.